You're watching this week's episode of Species Spotlight at the Key West Tropical Forest and Botanical Garden. Joewood is an evergreen shrub found in coastal hammocks, strands, and scrub in South Florida. It blooms year-round, peaking in summer and fall, and the fragrant flowers are rich in nectar and attract a variety of pollinators, especially bees. Birds and other small wildlife savor the fruit and find cover in the plant's dense foliage. Although common in its natural habitat, Joewood is a state-threatened species. Joewood's small but profuse flowers are white to ivory and funnel-shaped with 5 broadly spreading petals, alternating between 5 smaller petal-like staminodes. The ovary is green and noticeable in the center of the flower. It is surrounded by greenish-white stamens, topped with pale to bright yellow anthers. The flowers are borne in terminal racemes. Leaves are simple, leathery, and petiolate, and they vary in shape from elliptic to obovate, and they have slightly rounded, notched apices. Margins may be entire or revolute, and the leaf arrangement is alternate but begins to spiral near the tips of the branches and is often mistaken as whorled. The plant may have one or several short, stout trunks, and each trunk produces many branches, resulting in a dense, rounded crown. The bark is smooth and light gray but may become mottled with lichens as the shrub ages. Berries are white to greenish yellow and turn reddish orange as they mature, with the exception of Sanibel Island population, which is known to yield ivory berries. The seeds are small, brown, and held in a sticky pulp within the berry. The genus name Jacquinia honors the Dutch botanist Nicolaus Joseph van Jacquin. Joewood is a perennial and prefers moist, well-drained, sandy soils and likes full sun to partial shade. It gets to between 4 to 10 inches tall, and the crown is about as wide or wider. Its attractive form and semi-showy flowers and fruit make it an excellent specimen or accent shrub for coastal landscapes. It is a slow-growing, long-lived, and salt-tolerant, and hurricane wind and drought-tolerant, and brackish water-tolerant, and it does well in partial shade, but planting in full sun will encourage a fully rounded crown. The seeds may be toxic to humans, so do not plant where children are frequent. Thank you for watching this week's episode of Species Spotlight.